What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see today I decided to get some progress done. Not a lot, not something crazy, but I've had this diffuser, a universal diffuser, in my backyard and then in my trunk, and then I think even in the storage for quite some time. And today I decided to install it. It is a universal, what's it called, rear diffuser. I've seen one TSX owner had it, but he kind of had it sticking out a little bit out, so I kind of wanted to try to get it a little bit closer. Again, this is a universal one. I know everybody's been using like RSX, Jay's Racing replica, which I actually wanted to get, but at least for the time being, I got this. This was like 50 bucks at the time when I got it off eBay. And I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what my plan is to install it, so on and so forth. So let's get to it. So yeah, so that is the rear diffuser that we're installing, this bad boy right here. Like I said, I got it for about 50 bucks, somewhere around there. I don't remember. I bought it like probably maybe over a year ago, to be honest. But I finally decided to put it on. So let's get to it and let's figure out something what's going to happen with this rear diffuser. So we got some tools right here. I'm going to set this in place. I do have the car lifted. I know I should be having at least some blocks in the front, but kind of short on time. Figured it might be okay, it might be safe. But for the most part, I am running a single exhaust on this car. I decided to cut it out right there, get some pipes from O'Reilly's to create that bend, and then bring it out right here to a vibrant exhaust. But yeah, for the most part, kind of just gonna put this kind of the game plan right here. Let me see if I can get like a quick shot of what I'm kind of looking at, if I could jack it up. This is the game plan. Kind of jacked it up just to give myself a view of what I'm thinking it might look like. So I kind of like where it's at. I measure from here to here, and same thing on the other side. And then I put a piece of tape to get my spot. And then what I think I'm gonna do, I already took off this bolt, but you guys can see right here, this is the screw point for the, what's it called, for the rear lip to the bumper. I did want to put more structure points, but seeing that if I do want to take off the bumper, I don't want it to be a hassle or whatnot, I think I might just go this route. So I'll probably mark it, and found these screws in the back in my spares, so I'll probably, what's it called, put these through, and then tighten them up, and we should be golden. So let me go ahead and do that, drill it out, and come back. Alright, y'all, so this is for the most part what we got so far. Let me actually unjack it, because I actually wanted to look at it a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I did. So you guys can see this is the I drilled this a little bit out. I drilled it out a little bit larger so it could fit through. I believe that should be enough length. And I drilled here. What I did, I used a smaller screw with some toothpaste, and then kind of position it there with some toothpaste here, just to kind of know where I'm gonna drill. Just like anybody that's done like the hood pins on hoods, usually that's what they do. They put the hood pin and then put some toothpaste or something that you can use to mark it. So it kind of did this the same way but reversed. So this way, some toothpaste here, marked it, and then that's where I knew where to drill. So it should be, for the most part, I drilled this hole here, that hole there, and then the other hole on the other side. So we're gonna put this on and go from there. Alright you guys, so check this out. Got it all tightened up, and this thing is solid, man. It ain't going anywhere. Pretty tight. I think that might be good. But I do want to kind of like see if I could fix this. Doesn't stick out. It's a little bit more flush, but I'll do that later. I need to buy like forgot what they call it, like something sunk or seat sunk, something like that, in order to get this to lay flat. I forgot what the name of that tool was, but I'll show you guys a quick shot of the whole thing. So what up everybody, I'm driving back home right now at the moment. I don't know if I'm gonna end this video right here, but I hope you guys like it. If it is the end of the video, there is a meet going on today, which we might end up going with the rest of the guys from the team. But I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna go, because with all this COVID stuff, we ain't trying to get in trouble, to be honest. Or I'll be honest, I'm not trying to get in trouble. Just because if it is a meet, it's a gathering, and I ain't trying to get shit for it. But if we do go, then I'll show some clips of that, kind of introduce you guys to the rest of the guys. If not, then we'll probably meet up tomorrow maybe. I know Felix is coming by, and we're gonna go to my cousin's house because we got some work to do on an MDX. So I'll kind of just shoot a couple clips of that, if possible. If not, I'll post whatever it is that I post. But I do want to thank you guys for staying tuned. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comments below. So yeah, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you on the next video. Ciao!